Hey Cavs, what a crazy year this has been, right? Ups, downs. Who would have thought we'd be ending the year virtually like this? But I'm so proud of how you've all been working. You've been sticking with it. You've been persevering. You've been asked to do things that you haven't normally been asked to do, and you've tried. You've been in that learning pit with us, and we have worked through it together while still being apart. So thank you for all the work that you've done. I want to give you a quick overview of what today is all about. It's our last day, so I'm giving you an opportunity to wrap up any assignments that you have not maybe finished before. If you have, great, good for you. Take it easy and relax. Enjoy your last day. I'm also giving you the optional opportunity on Flipgrid to tell your teachers, your friends, your classmates, whoever, just anything that you would like to say, like just how I'm doing this goodbye video to you. I know you maybe haven't seen your friends in a while, or maybe you have something you want to tell your teachers or whatever. This is your opportunity to do that. You don't have to if you don't want to. But if you go to our Flipgrid, just take a few, seconds or minutes, however long you want, and just say anything you want. If you're wanting to say goodbye, wish a happy summer to everyone, whatever you want to do, it's your opportunity if you want to take it. If not, that's totally fine too. And then I want to wrap up by saying that I'm going to miss you all very much. I know this is unusual, but things will get back to normal eventually. We just have to keep persevering and hanging in there together. If you want to email or reach out over the summer, please feel free to do that. We still are connected to our email that way, and I'm happy to, even if it's just, hey, how are you doing? Something simple. So please feel free to do that if you want to. Don't hesitate about that. And if you want, you can visit us next year. Eventually, we will get back at Kingsley. And you are more than welcome to stop by and say hi. If I see you in the hallway, we can wave, just catch up, see how you're doing, okay? Because I know you're not getting that opportunity to do that in person this year. So feel free to just stop by next year. I hope you have a wonderful summer. Again, great job sticking with this, and enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.